Careface CVP. Subscribe, like, comment, and let the whole world know about Careface CVP.
Did you know this? Yes. What me say? CVP. Careface Video Productions. Yes. Give thanks and praise to all my subscribers. Give thanks and praise for your help. With your help, we're going up there. Up there. With your help, we're going up there. We're going up there. Yes. Thank you very much for all y'all support. Yes. So this video is about alligator / crocodile. And why there's an alligator / crocodile on the Jamaican coat of arms. Alright? If you want to know more, you could check out Tony Prophet. That's Tony Prophet with an I. Check out his channel. He kind of break it down a little bit more.
Whenever I check out the word arms, it means ammunitions. The alligator is the mentality.
But when I did my research, this is the original, or this is the reason why they put the reptile on the Jamaican coat of arms. I have a recording that I'm going to play, you know what I mean, to tell you guys a little bit more about it and why it's there and who put it there and what it represents. Alright? So, here we go. Did you know this?
The Jamaican crocodile is one of the indigenous reptiles of the country, mounted on the royal helmet of the British monarchy, and is a unique distinction accorded to Jamaica by the British. How many indigenous reptiles are there living in Jamaica? There are many indigenous reptiles in Jamaica. I am just going to name a few indigenous reptiles living in Jamaica: lizards, snakes, turtles, and crocodiles. While only 2 reptiles have their global ranges restricted entirely to cockpit country, the area is recognized as a sanctuary for 20 of Jamaica's 33 living endemic reptiles. 4 additional species were endemic to Jamaica, but sadly are now thought to be extinct. 2 of these 4 were known to occur in cockpit country.
So, as you hear in our recording, Jamaica have many reptiles. I guess they said it's what, 33 living in Jamaica. Did you know this? Most of them is native to the cockpit country. Yes, Trelawney, right up the side there between Trelawney and Manchester. That's so the cockpit country there. Alright. So we want to talk about the reptile called the lizard. Alright. So I did a research and I tried to find if the lizard eats its own children. So I asked Google, does the lizard eat its own children? Did you know this? No, lizards don't eat their own children. So I said, alright, cool. So I said, alright, Google, does turtle eat their own offspring? Did you know this? And Google said, boy, no. Turtles in the wild, turtle is not a part of their diet, so they don't eat their offspring. Turtle don't eat their own offspring, but in captivity, anything is possible. I say box cheese. So yes, I could understand that. You know what I mean? Saying when you're in prison, you'll do anything. You know what I mean? And take the things out the wild and put them in captivity for our own use. You know what I mean? They become things that they're not. So I understand why the turtle will eat a turtle. Alright? So I said, Google, does snake eat their own offspring? And Google said, did you know this? In certain circumstances, like for example, they only eat their dead offspring. And they come up with a number. Like they're saying 68% of the female will eat half of their dead offspring, and another 86% of the female may eat the full of their offspring. I don't know what kind of number is that, so I work with it. See it. So alligator now, the information I find on alligator is very disturbing. Time I say, boy, Google, Does alligator eat their own offspring? And Google say, did you know this? Alligator, they're not good mothers. I say, what? Say alligator not good mothers? Why them the pan with coat of arms? Crocodile slash. Hey. Why are they on our coat of arms? And them not a good mother? Is that why Jamaican mothers stop dash with them picnic and fling them in a garbage pan and all of them sitting there because what? Them turn the crocodile are. Did you know this? And say, as alligator have their kids, they want to eat them. Yes, that's what it said. So, alligator is not a good mother, but alligator is on the Jamaica coat of arms on the top, crocodile. We here again to talk about Tony Prophet have a song out there also named Alligator. You go check it out, it's on YouTube, you know what I mean, hear what he have to say in that song. And he also have a mission, you know what I mean, it was an idea, a plan, and now it's in motion going on. So, you know what I mean, I want the people to go on YouTube, Tony Prophet again with a I, not a E. Check him out and see what he's have to offer and see how you could help Tony Prophet and his plan that is in motion. Alright, so big up to all the subscribers them. Much love to all y'all. You know what I mean? I just say it go. You know what I mean? Yeah. CVP. Careface Video Productions. Yes, yes. Give thanks and praise. Yeah. Big up to all the subscribers them. Thank you all for your support.
To see more terrific photos of Jamaican reptiles and other reptiles found throughout the Caribbean, visit
Caribbean History. It's a website that has everything, all of our 33 indigenous reptiles that we have in Jamaica.
Brought to you by Careface CVP. Subscribe, like, comment, and let the whole world know about us. Careface CVP.